Ito ang Byahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, you are back with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Derecho. It's 11:02 on the clock. Ibig sabihin my love, oras na para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page DJ Lala Banderas. Wag na nating patagalin pa, basahin na natin ang ating biyahe. Biyahe ng buhay ni Sydney. Good evening po, love. Itago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Sydney. Nais ko lang po sanang humingi ng advice. Sobrang gulong-gulo na po ako. Dapat ko pa po bang ipagpatuloy at magstay sa relationship namin ng boyfriend ko? Kahit sinasabi ng ex-girlfriend niya na nabuntis daw siya nito. 7 months na po kami, DJ Lala. Staying strong. Madaming pagsubok pero kinakaya namin. Until one day, may nag-chat sa account niya na dummy account. And I know na yun yung ex niya. And sabi, buntis daw siya at ang boyfriend ko daw ang ama. At first, deadma lang ako kasi sabi ko baka gawa-gawa niya lang yun kasi gusto niya talagang maghiwalay kami ng boyfriend ko. Tinanong ko yung boyfriend ko pero ang sagot niya sa akin, hindi daw sila nagkikita noon, bakit daw siya ang hinahabol. And then, ako na mismo ang nag-chat sa girl. Tinanong ko kung paano nangyari yon. Ang sabi sa akin ni girl, nagkita daw sila at may nangyari sa kanila. Patulong naman po, love. Gulong-gulo na po ako. Gusto kong gawin ang tama kung sakaling totoong siya nga ang ama. Handa po akong magparaya. Pero ang sakit-sakit pa rin sa akin, love. Di ko alam kung kaya ko ba or kakayanin ko. Sana po mabasa niyo po ang biyahe ko. Maraming salamat and more power to your show. Hi Sydney, well, straight na tayo sa issue mo girl, no? So Sydney, hear me out. Merong dummy account na nagpakilalang siya yung ex ng boyfriend mo and then nabuntis siya ng boyfriend mo. You confronted your boyfriend says no. Bibigay ko sa iyo medyo some kind of red flags dito sa nagiging relationship ninyo ha. Number 1 is that you have an access to his account. That is siguro the first rule that you should impose in your relationship. If you want to establish trust sa relationship ninyo, then don't go about each other's account. Do not seek for passwords ng accounts ng partner mo. Do you want to establish trust? Then do something that can express na nagtitiwala ka or willing kang magtiwala. Kumbaga, yan ay tinatawag nating deed of good faith. Yan ay tinatawag nating anong tawag doon? Hindi pagmamagandang loob eh. Kumbaga, parang hindi din siya patay mali siya. I don't know kung ano yung direct niyang translation to Tagalog, pero deed of good faith ang tawag natin dito. Kumbaga, kung gusto mong pagkatiwalaan ka, do something in your end na magsasabing ready akong magtiwala at ready akong pagkatiwalaan mo. So, number 1 na yan, red flag sa relationship ninyo, yung may access kayo sa accounts ng isa't isa. Kasi you cannot help yourself, you cannot control yourself, you won't be able to discipline yourself. Titignan ninyo yung account ng mga friends, ng boyfriend ninyo, ng girlfriend ninyo to the point na may mag-hi lang sa kanila na hindi nyo kilala, kahit hindi nyo alam yung storya, nagre-react kayo negatively. Second, your boyfriend already says no. Second red flag sa magiging relationship ninyo kapag hindi nyo pinaniwalaan yung sinasabi ng isa't isa. I do know na there is something stronger than the word itself. Pero what more do you want from the guy? Gusto mo ba ng resibo ng araw na yon? Gusto mo ba ng witness na pwedeng magsabi sa iyo na siya ay nasa bahay, siya ay nasa basketball court, siya ay nasa klase, siya ay nasa trabaho ng araw na yon? Kailangan mo ba ng witness? If yes, ilan ang kailangan mo? 5 witness ba ang kailangan mo? And if yes, 5, kailangan ba to walang relationship sa kanya? Hindi sila friends for more than a year or 2 years para maging valid? Nagigets mo ko, my love? Kapag tinanong mo yung partner mo if may ginawa siya or ginawa niya ba tong said offense na to at sinabi niyang hindi, you questioning the validity of that answer is like you telling your partner that I do not trust you. Hindi kita pinagkakatiwalaan. So what's the point in asking? Diba? What's the point in confronting a person if hindi ka maniniwala kung sasabihin niyang hindi? Naiintindihan mo ko, my love. Now kasi you are thinking ahead. O diba? Pinoproblema mo yung bagay na malayo pa. Pinoproblema mo yung bagay na you don't even know if totoo. You don't even know if nag-e-exist. Kumbaga, binaburden mo yung relationship ninyo to a problem na proposed pa lang. Wala pa sa harapan ninyo, you don't even have to cross the bridge, you are not yet even there. It doesn't even exist yet. And yet, problema mo na kung paano kayo maghihiwalay, nag-uusap na kayo about pagpaparaya. Naintindihan mo ko, my love. 7 months of your relationship and I get it. This is by far the biggest that you have to go through with your partner. This is a test of how strong yung foundation ng relationship niyo is. So if I were you, my love, I'll stick to my partner. I'll stand by my partner. Sabihin mo sa kanya in good faith, in a very, very calm tone, tell me the truth and I will believe whatever it is na sasabihin mo sa akin. I promise you that. But please know na kapag naniwala ako, kasama nun yung tiwala ko. So I'm telling you now, once and for all, mag-come out ka sa akin. Is this yours or hindi? If you say no, we'll drop this issue. I will no longer reply. I will no longer chat dun sa girl or I will no longer converse with whoever this person is sa kabila ng dummy account na to. But if you say yes, then tell me what you want to do. Do you want to be a father to that child? Do you want to go back to your ex? Kasi even if magparaya ka, my love, sabihin na natin, ilagay na natin sa konteksto yon na siya nga ay sabihin na nating ama ng dinadala ng ex-partner niya. Even if magparaya ka, if that guy doesn't really want to be with his ex, gusto niya na lang magsustento, yung modern way of attacking this kind of relationship, wala na rin namang magagawa yung pagpaparaya mo eh. Pwede din naman siyang magpakaama kahit hindi sila. Kesa ipuwersa mo siya sa isang pamilya na hindi naman niya mapaninindigan. Kasi ang magsasuffer doon by the end of the day is the child. Kasi the child will be hoping for a harmonious family relationship. Pero dahil puwersa lang yung lalaki to that relationship, the father will not be the father that kid will expect him to be. Naintindihan mo ko? So my love, 1, do not think too ahead. 2, do not be nosy sa mga accounts ng partners natin. Give them that liberty as a sign of our trust sa kanila. Either way, lalabas naman ang baho kung may baho talaga eh. With or without you checking those social media accounts, lalabas at lalabas ang baho kung meron talagang baho. Tandaan mo yan. And number 3, my love, do not overthink things. Huwag kang mag-overthink. Kapag sinabi ng partner mo na wala to, hindi mo kailangan i-stress yung sarili mo sa issue na to. I did not do this. Hindi kami nag one night stand. Walang nangyari sa amin. Hindi ako nakipagkita sa ex mo, sa ex ko. Please believe your partner. Kasi after all, kung di mo rin naman pala siya talaga papaniwalaan, then sana hindi mo na lang siya tinanong. Then sana nag-conclude ka na lang on your own, nag-decide ka na din para sa kanya. Inunahan mo na lahat para mapalagay ka. Naintindihan mo ko, Sydney? So, right now, if it's too much for you, if the information is too much for you, too heavy for you, breathe a little. Wag mo munang puwersahin yung sarili mo to do something about it. Clearly, emotionally unstable ka pa to handle this issue. So, gawin mo munang stable yung sarili mo. Pakalmahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Huminga ka muna ng malalim. Then talk to your boyfriend about it. Definitely, just talk to your boyfriend about it. Do not talk to the other girl. Kasi that, yung sasabihin ng babaeng yun, yung sasabihin ng babae, nung ex niya, if yun talaga ay ex niya, will not help your situation. The only conversation you need to have is the one you have to your boyfriend. It's the one that you should be getting from your boyfriend. Kasi this is your relationship with him. Hindi kayo pumasok dyan ng tatlo kayo. Hindi to triangulo. Walang triangulo dito. This relationship was started by the two of you. If it ends or if it will end, it should be ended by the both of you as well. Naintindihan mo ako, Sydney? I hope you do that, my love. Pero please, huwag kang padalos-dalos. Huminga ka muna ng malalim up until clear-headed ka na to decide on things. And believe in your partner. After all, we are trying to promise that partner the rest of our lives. So might as well, let's entrust our decision to them. Let's listen to them when they say no, when they say yes. Trust, my love. It's one of the most vital ingredient of a successful relationship. Tandaan mo yan. Okay? Kabisyo, tandaan nyo po lagi na hindi kayo ang una sa piling ng partners ninyo. Hindi kayo ang una at maaaring hindi din kayo ang huli. So, maraming tao din ang susubok sirain yung relationship ninyo. But the only voice that you'll have to listen when it comes to the matters of that relationship is yours and your partners. Tandaan ninyo, ang relasyon na yan ay sinimulan ninyong dalawa. Kung merong tatapos dyan, dapat kayo lang din dalawa. Tandaan.
Love Radio.